Welcome to Da Nang, and look at this beautiful resort where we are today. I actually gonna do a hotel review about this whole place. There's gonna be a wedding over there. There are lots of nice places. Like, look at this, lounges, the beach bar. Everything is super nice. You even have huge double XL hammocks, most likely for 2 people. But actually I just reviewed this whole place, so please check out the video I did about the Pullman Da Nang Resort on my main channel. Actually, shout out to Elvis and his lovely wife who actually brought me here because they're staying here. Shout out to my Australians, always got my back. So I will actually review the whole place, and on this walking tour I'm gonna show you how far it is to go from here back to the Antung area. Right, so that might be very interesting for you too, because if you want to stay here at the resort, this is the second resort here in Da Nang. The first one would be the Premier Village, but the Premier Village only has villas. So here you have actually normal hotel rooms as well. You get normal hotel rooms, and I think over there are the villas. This is the breakfast and the dinner place, maybe also lunch. You have also a very nice entrance here, beautiful. But what I will show you in this walk is the way from here to the Antung area. Okay, so how far is it to go from this hotel resort, which starts at 120, what I saw one time, but you have to be quick, you have to book early to get it that cheap, to the Antung area. This is the south area of the Antung. I will show you how it looks there, what the streets looking like, what's around that area. But yeah, everything you need to know in this video, guys. So let's go back to the front desk. This is also the hotel lobby. You got here the butterfly area. You got a little lounge seating here. And this is a little work area, I think. But yeah, it's very nice. I'm gonna show you the lobby over here. And we're gonna go all the way from here to the Antung area. This is the entrance. Looks very nice, great welcoming service. They actually picked us up with a Pullman BMW 3 Series. But now, let's walk over to the Antung area. Alright guys, I got more chicken salt. I've got so much chicken salt now. You Australians are absolutely madman. Madman? Oh man, I love it. Thank you so much for everyone who brought me already chicken salt. I also heard some left at the Aussie Bistro. Thank you so much for that as well. I will pick it up. I will most likely have chicken salt for the rest of my life. But you know what? Thank you so much, Australia. You rescued my life of boring fries. No more boring fries in my life because of Australia. Shout out to Australia and thank you so much. So let's check out what's going on here at this area of Da Nang. The Trip 66 moved here, guys. My God, I did not know that. The Trip 66 was one of the most legendary bars, live music, etc. Always in the Antung area. Now they moved over there. I don't know how it is now. I hope they're still open. I don't know, it doesn't look open, but who knows. So now they are here in the south, okay? Here in the south you have lots of condo buildings, also hotels, very good and affordable housing here. So, might be an option for you if you want to live here. You have a Go Steak, Yummy Yummy, Kmart. So there are some stores, including you can have, there's a tennis court here. I think you can use that too if you rent it out. And yeah, there's some hotels here. Sea Phoenix Hotel. I have not reviewed any hotel down there from those, but I might do that. Might be an interesting neighborhood for you as well. Because if you like nicer beach parts, this might be the right spot. Because here you can actually walk to the beach. This is a public beach access, guys. This is the south beach of Da Nang. So you can actually go straight there and you are at the beach, which is very nice beach part. It's basically between the resorts. That means very nice and tidy, if that's the right word. Also, Christian was right. Immaculate. Immaculate. I hope I say it right. It's such a difficult word somehow for me. Immaculate. Immaculate. But I love it. All right. There's an Intercontinental advertisement right next to the hotel here. Interesting. And also the Premier Village has here some advertisements too. Bana Hills, oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Oh, that was painful, guys. Please always be careful about walking here. This might have been the end for me. I'm not sure if I injured myself. I will find out later. Oh, that hurts. That hurts, guys. That might be it for the walking channel. That might be it. Oh my god. Guys, be careful, guys. Be careful. I'm gonna go home now. I'm walking home. Oh god, I don't know. I don't know how, if the pain is coming now. Oh boy. That hurts. That hurts a lot. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now, if you're seeing this, please be careful. The streets in Vietnam are not safe. Oh god, that hurts. Woo. Oh god. All right, guys. I'm gonna get a Grab. I don't want to risk it. It hurts very much. Maybe I'm gonna go to the hospital. I'll keep you in touch. But I finished this hotel review. Please check out my hotel review about the Pullman. So I will keep you in touch if I'm badly injured or if it's just gonna be good. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.